Hey guys, welcome to FI Tamil. This is Ganesh and hope you all doing good. Be safe, try to stay at home until it's completely safe outside. So please stay at home guys. Okay, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a free YouTube thumbnail by using Fotor. Fotor is a platform where you can edit photos, collage and even do a creative design as well. I'll be using a free Fotor account for this example to show you guys how easy it is, and I will also show you a website where you can download a royalty-free images for free and you can use it for any particular project as you wish. Some of you might know this website already, but I will show you guys anyway. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel. This way, if I release more content like this, you will get notified, and don't forget to click the alert notification. Let's dive in. Okay guys, this is a photo website. As you can see, you can edit photos, make collage and even do a creator design as well. You can have a look into this website and have a look at what all the features you can do, and it's also optimized to the mobile version as well, so you can do photo edit on the go. To make a YouTube thumbnail, we have to go into a creator design option. There are plenty of things you can do here. For example, if you want to do a Facebook post, Instagram post, all the sizes are properly optimized to the particular social media, so you don't have to worry about what size you have to make. For this video, we'll be looking at YouTube thumbnail, and on the left you can see all the options for the thumbnails you have, and there's hundreds of thumbnails you can pick. So for this particular one, I think I'll be picking something like this. Just click it and you can just change the image, change the text, and it's all done. So for this I'll be making okay, and I'll just select this whole thing and reduce the font 80, and I'll just move this here, and I don't actually need this quote, and you can arrange the style however you want. You can even go ahead and pick whichever layout you like. It's quite easy. Kind of like this font, by the way. It's up to you guys. And to change this image, I'll show you a quick website called Unsplash where you can download royalty-free images. So for this, I'll be so I type happy and let's see what we can find. So everything is here is royalty-free images, and you can actually use it for any particular project you like. I kind of like these because it's kind of really cool, I think. So you just like download and go to this image. So to change this image, select the image and go to import. So I already downloaded it here. Select the image, open, and it's here. Just click and drag the image right on top. Once you on top, the background changes. You can have a look. Then dropped it, and that's it. And if you want to scale this image, you just double click and scale it according to you need. So I kind of liked it how the way it is, and just move it a little higher. If you want to import any other images, just add import, and I want to add a logo to it, the photo logo on the thumbnail. It's here, and again I'm just dragging and dropping it on the top, and then I'm just gonna scale it a little bit. Actually, the cool thing is it has an option called a preview, and you can have a look how it looks in the phone and also look in the laptop as well. Fonts are a little bit smaller for this, so I may increase the font. Anyway, yep, that's it. I think it's done, and you can at least spend as long as you want and pick any template you want. To export, all you have to do is save, call it JPEG high, and you just have to sign in and download. That's it. That's it. It's downloading, and I'll show you in a minute. Yep, it's downloaded. Here guys, have a look. It's that easy, and you can have a play with this template. If you guys want to upgrade the Fotor account, there's a link in the description below. Fotor is currently running an offer for Easter. There's a coupon code in the description below. If the coupon code doesn't work, I'll be mentioning in the description below. But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this. I hope you guys like this video. Stay safe guys. Peace.